Hello, welcome. Today we are going to work on differentiation and we are going to use power rule. The power rule is mostly used to differentiate the polynomial function. Example, we have a polynomial function with the power of 4. The second question is a polynomial function with the highest power of 3. Question number 4, we have a function with a polynomial of power -10. In this situation, it is easy to use power rule to differentiate. For a given function, y is equal to f of x is equal to x power n, the derivative of y with respect to x, the y over the x, which can be written as f prime of x, this is equal to a given polynomial with the power of n. We are going to drop the power down, then x, and then we are going to reduce power by 1, that is going to be n minus 1. d of x power n, the x, this is given by n x power n minus 1. This is the power rule that we are going to use. Straight, let's do question number 1, which says that y is equal to 5x power 4. To differentiate y with respect to x. Now, the y over the x, this is equal to 5. We are going to drop 4 down, multiply by 4. X, we are going to reduce power by 1. That is going to be power 3. Our y over the x, this is equal to 5 multiplied by 4. It is going to be 20x cubic. Let us do question number 2. We have y is equal to 3x cubic plus 3 over x plus 2. We have y is equal to 3x cubic plus 3 over x plus 2. Let us first put our polynomial in a proper way. We have x in the denominator, so I'm going to reciprocate it. Y is equal to 3x cubic plus 3. When I reciprocate x here in the denominator, is going to be x power minus 1 plus 2. The y over the x, this is equal to 3 multiplied by, I'm going to drop 3 down, x, I'm going to reduce the power by 1, that is going to be x squared, plus 3, I'm going to drop minus 1 down, multiply by minus 1, x, I'm going to take away by 1 here, that is going to be minus 1, minus 1, that is going to be minus 2. The derivative of constant is 0. The y over the x, this is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 is going to be 9x squared. 3 multiplied by minus 1, I'm going to have negative 3x power minus 2. Let us do question number 3. We have given y is equal to, in the bracket, 2x plus 1, in the bracket, x minus 3. Since I'm using power rule, first I'm going to expand these factors to get a polynomial. Let us expand it. Y is equal to 2x multiplied by x. We are going to get 2x squared. 2x multiplied by minus 3. We are going to get minus 6x. 1 multiplied by x. We are going to add by x. 1 multiplied by minus 3. We get minus 3. That is y is equal to 2x squared minus 6x plus x. We get minus 5x minus 3. Already we get our polynomial. Now we can go straight and differentiate y with respect to x. The y over the x, this is equal to 2 multiplied by, I'm going to drop 2 down, x, reduce the power by 1, that is going to be power 1, minus 5. You can put x as power 1. Now we drop 1 down, multiply by 1, x minus 1 is going to be power 0. The derivative of constant is 0. The y over the x, this is equal to 4x minus 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by x power 0, which is 1. We are going to get 5. Let us do the last question. Y is equal to 2 power x power minus 10 plus 7x power minus 2. We are going to differentiate y with respect to x. The y over the x, this is equal to 2 multiplied by, I'm going to drop minus 10 down, that is minus 10 x, I'm going to reduce it by 1, that is going to be power minus 11. Plus 7, I'm going to drop minus 2 down, minus 2. X, I'm going to reduce power by 1, that is going to be power minus 3. Y over the x, this is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 10, that is going to be minus 20. X power minus 11. 7 multiplied by minus 2, we are going to get minus 14. X power minus 3. And this is our answer. I hope you get an idea on how to differentiate by using power rule. For more video on differentiation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.